Currently on the screen is another view from the International Space Station. This was recorded early this morning. The space station was flying down over the AWST's eastern region. And welcome to another update from Force 13's Australia Oceania channel, where a few minutes ago the Bureau of Meteorology's Tropical Cyclone Warning Centre up in Darwin has upgraded to Tropical Cyclone Marcus Cat 1 system. And it was known as AWST 92S. The warning zone is Maningrida to the Daly River mouth, including Darwin and the Tiwi Islands. The watch zone is now including the Daly River mouth to the Mitchell Plateau. A cancel zone is Maningrida to Maningrida. Now here's a Himalaya 8 rainbow view, a satellite view of the tropical low. Marcus is currently located 55 kilometres to 10.3 degrees south, 132.6 degrees east, estimated to be 95 kilometres north of Croker Island, 310 kilometres northeast of Darwin. Here's one of the radar stations up in the Darwin region. This was captured earlier this morning. The movement of the tropical cyclone Marcus is southeast at 13 kilometres an hour. Now we have a look at the 12-hourly rainfall across the next 5 days. Marcus has formed north of the Cobourg Peninsula and is expected to approach the northwest top-end coast today and likely to cross the Cobourg Peninsula tonight. It's then expected to turn south towards the southwest, passing close to Darwin during Saturday, before moving into the Timor Sea late on Saturday or early Sunday. And during Sunday, the Cat 1 system is expected to approach the North Kimberley coast, which is WA. And here's another look at rainfall. This was also recorded earlier this morning. Now this is the Australia-wide 12-hourly rainfall across the next 5 days. Gales with gusts to 110 kilometres an hour expected to develop over the Cobourg Peninsula during Friday afternoon, extending to Goulburn Island later this evening. Gales could also extend to Maningrida tonight if the tropical cyclone takes a more easterly track. The rainfall scale is on the right hand side of the screen, and what I look for is the rainfall in the blue, pink, purple, red. And you can clearly see from the forward motion across the next 5 days where the rainfall is going to be. However, this is from the Bureau of Meteorology, but it's only a conservative look. Now, thanks to the BSCH website here in Australia, this is a look at storm probability from 7 a.m. local time to 2200 hours Saturday night. These images are in 3 hourly periods. Gales are expected to extend to Darwin, the Tiwi Islands from early Saturday morning as the tropical cyclone passes through the Van Diemen Gulf. Now this is instability. If the tropical cyclone crosses the coast east of the Goulburn Peninsula tonight, the cyclone will likely weaken before approaching Darwin, reducing the chance of gales being experienced. However, gales may extend to Daly River mouth by Saturday afternoon, further south to the WA Northern Territory border late on Saturday or Sunday as the cyclone moves into the Timor Sea later. Gales are also expected to extend to the North Kimberley during Sunday. Now this is a look at precipitation. The rainfall values are at the bottom of the screen and you can clearly see how intense the rainfall activity is going to be. Force 13's AU channel will continue to bring the updated information, and we appreciate Nathan giving us an opportunity to make this information available on the main channel. Now here's a look at earlier model guidance on Tropical Cyclone Marcus. A look at the late cycle intensity guidance, and at this stage it's looking promising for the system to possibly reach high range Cat 4 system. Upper level divergence is pretty healthy. Wind shear, not an issue. The 24-hour shear tendency and tropical cyclones love the area in blue and green. The red icon is where Marcus is currently located. The 850 millibar vorticity, and for updated information please link to the AU channel, and here's the latest track chart on the Cat 1 cyclone by the Bureau of Meteorology, Darwin.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which has had a revamp and is still under reconstruction, but take a look. Also YouTube, of course, if you haven't subscribed, that might be a good idea. Visit Force 13. We're also on Facebook under the same name, of course, and you can like us on there, and you can also follow us on Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text for those. You can also add Force 13 on Skype or my personal account on Discord, Fool13, at extension 9094.